Class 171 means class 41 data presentation unit. It can be display or recorder. They are nothing but output devices. Transducers are input devices which take input from the system and system or environment, and data presentation devices are output devices. The output device may be single number or time domain. Single number, for example, ammeter, it gives a single number value, say 2.3 amperes, 5.4 amperes. Ammeter, voltmeter, etc. are single number output device. Time domain means CRO. Example. There are other devices also. So time domain means it is a CRO is a time domain. CRO does not give a single number output value. It gives output with respect to time. For example, graph. If you plot a graph, it is a time domain, or also it can be a, x if other things also with x versus y that we will see later. For the time being, you understand that it can be single number or time domain. Okay, and then outputs can be in the form of, say, magnetic tape or punched paper tapes, punched cards. In ATM cards, you have pulse signals. You have that barcode is there. So that's also an output form, output device. Data is present there. Okay, which is read at some other places in some other machines. So these are the general aspects. So finally, instrument may give following data, maybe quantity, say ampere, voltmeter, voltage, etc., or quality, okay, or status, or it may be alphanumeric or symbolic information or pictorial information. Okay, for example, quality, power factor, it is a quality information. Status, status, okay, on or off, or sometimes it may be data, alphanumeric or picture or graph, etc. So output can be like this. So a good display or data presentation unit is the one which gives, which should have good characteristics. It should have right speed, accuracy, and sensitivity. See an ammeter. Okay, take example of ammeter. It should have good sensitivity. Means for small change of current, the display should show the variation properly. And accuracy, it should be accurate also. And speed also. Needle should not oscillate or move very slowly, like over damping or under damping. So it should be critical damping. You have studied that. So a good display unit means it should have which permits the best combination. Sometimes when you try to increase the speed of the instrument, these two may get deteriorated. So you have to select these three combinations, best of these three. And now here now we discuss about electrical indicating instruments, ammeter, voltmeter, etc. And mainly here now we see analog and digital instruments. Analog instruments use a scale and a pointer or needle. Digital type meters indicate the reading in exact numbers. Okay, there is a comparison between analog and digital instruments. So nowadays digital instruments are used much.